Hi, what's up everybody? This truck has a sound that annoys the crap out of me and I'm going to show it to you right now. So, apparently the fix for that is this. Out of my nose. And a little bit of this. So, all I did was jam this bad boy in there, rub it around a little bit, and now the squeak is gone. Simple, but amazing. That little squeak drove me fucking crazy, and now it is finito. Adios. Easy fix. Thank you, internet. I think I learned that on one of the four, but I Googled Montero steering wheel squeak. That came up literally. Jam Vaseline in there and you're good to go. Habuya.